It's John Deere season here in the machine shop, and we just wrapped up surfacing the deck and recutting the counterbores on this 6076 block. We took 6 thousandths off the deck of the block, so in turn we're going to shorten the connecting rods by 6 thousandths so that the customer doesn't have any issues with piston protrusion. For the first step in the process, we demagnetize the connecting rods by passing them through our electromagnetic yoke. Don't ask me how it works, but it does. The old bushings aren't excessively worn, but in order to shorten the rods, we have to install new boreable pin bushings. To remove the old bushings, a sharp chisel is driven into the bushing, and then the bushing can be pushed out of the rod. As long as you use some finesse, it leaves no damage to the housing bore of the rod. Before installing the new bushings, we'll mount a rod in our special fixture on our boring machine and center up on the small end bore. We can then move the x-axis of the machine 6 thousandths to find the shortened center of the small end bore. The tapered bushings can be a bit of a pain to press into the rod, so we like to use a temperature differential to our advantage. With the small end of the connecting rod heated up, the new bushing will slide right into place, and when the temperature equalizes, the interference fit is achieved. Once the rods have cooled back to room temperature, we can mount them on the fixture one at a time, install a cutter, and offset bore the bushings to our rough size. At this point, the pin will go in, but there's still a few tenths tighter than the factory clearance specification. With just a few strokes in the hone, we land right inside our size tolerance, and the rods are ready for the customer. Be sure to like and follow Jamsey online for more.